Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use effects on your videos, all your videos in CapCut PC. So in here, you can just find the effects that you want to use first after you adding the clip, of course. For example, I'm going to add two effects in the opening. So I'm going to add the diamond zoom and oblique blur effects. So here I've already added the oblique blur and I'm going to make it short because I only want to make it only at the beginning. Then the second effect is a diamond zoom. I'm going to just drag it like this and put it on top of the first effect. And I'm also going to trim it or shorten the effects. So if you want to make it apply on all videos, you can just first block or select these two effects like this, and then you can just right click or click on Ctrl C on your keyboard, copy. Now you can just paste it on the next video. Okay, I'm going to just paste it in here, and the last one. That's it. Oops, sorry, I forgot to put the line in here. And after that, you are finished. So that's how you can apply effects to all clips in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.